In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your course data so you can monitor different things about your e-learning course. So right here is the course that we created, and in this dashboard we have the ability to edit the course. We can also access the embed code and direct link by clicking this little icon right here. And we can access the course data. We'll jump into that in just a few minutes. But the next one is the triple dots. If I click that, I have the ability to duplicate a course, to transfer a course to another Builderall member by using their Builderall email, or I could delete a course. Now let's look at how we can manage the data inside of our e-learning course. So I'm going to click this icon that says course data. And inside here, I can monitor my inbox messages. And if a student inboxes me, I can actually see that message there. I can also look at my student list to see what students are registered. I can also look at the test results to show the results of the individual lesson tests and the final test to see what students have actually completed the entire course and taken the final test. To get back to the course list, I just click the button on the top right hand side that says back to course list, and that will take me all the way back out to where my course information is at. So that's how you access the course data inside of the e-learning platform in Builderall.